Hey Steve, we're going to go through your deadlift real quick and tell you exactly what's going on. So I'm just going to fast forward to your setup, still going through your straps. It's a relatively subtle thing. Okay, so right now you're at the start of your setup. Tank the speed down. Taking your brace. Okay, now right now what I want you to notice is that your arms, your lats are going to be directly above the bar. So this is at 90 degrees. Your shoulders need to be in front of the bar. This right now is correct. So look at this position right here. And then I want you to look at what happens whenever we start the pull. Okay, got off my magnifying glass, and I'm just going to track your shoulder. Okay, so now you've moved backwards so that your arm is vertical, your hips are behind the bar. Okay, so if we look at it, arm is now vertical to the bar. Alright, so we'll compare the two positions one more time. Actually, I know what I can do. Okay, so we have our correct position here, shoulders over the bar, and we'll have our incorrect position here whenever you're actually going to get started with your pull. Just note how you rock backwards. So you're in the correct position right now, then you pull backwards. So that motion right there, you see how our line that I'm tracking your shoulder is going backwards? That's what's causing the deadlift to screw up. What I need you to do is think about keeping your hips higher and staying out over the bar. Okay. Outside of that, there's really no problems with that. Let me go to your programming real quick. Okay, so for today, for our 728 workout, just front squats, 3x5 at 155. We're going to do a 5x5 for your press at 115. Keep deadlifts light just so we can learn how to stay out over the bar. We'll do a 3x5 at 205, so that's one plate, a quarter, and some tens. And we'll do 4 sets of the banded chin-ups. We can hammer these home, do them every day, frankly. You don't really need to recover too much from these. Rest of the week is relatively simple. But what's happening is that you are pulling yourself behind the bar, and you really can't use much of your lat. You really can't use much of your quad at all. When we're out over the bar, when we pull from here, and again, the cue that you need to think about is going to be pushing the ground away from you. So when we're here, you see how our quads are nice and loaded up, basically. I just need you to extend your quads, keep your shoulders out in front of the bar, and keep your hips high. If you let your hips drop to this position, then you'll go behind the bar. Okay. If you have any questions, just let me know.